In this video, I will tell you about importing and exporting table from AutoCAD to MS Excel. So here we have this table which we have made in the previous lesson, and we will simply export it as an Excel file. So for exporting it, I'll select the table and then right click and select this export option from the contextual menu. Now specify the location where you want to save it. In this case, I'll save it on the desktop, and you can see the file type, which is CSV here. Now give it a name. I'll name it as table1, the default name, and click on save. And the table has been saved on the desktop. So let's go to the desktop, and here we have this table1. Let's open it. And here we have it. So now you can see that we have the table. Obviously the formatting has not been retained, but all the information which is contained in the table can be seen here as well. So you can again add the formatting to this table. So let's now close it and move back to our AutoCAD drawing. So in this case, we have exported this table, but you can also import any table from Excel to AutoCAD. So we'll do that as well. So I'll move it here, and now I'll import a new table. To import it, I'll select this tables drop down and I'll select this table option. Now here we have an option of from a data link. So I'll select this from a data link option, and you'll notice that all the remaining options will become deactivated. Now click on this box and select create a new Excel data link. Now give this table name. So I'll name it as our test table, and I'll click on OK. Now I'll browse for files. So click on this box and browse for files. So I'll go to desktop, and here we have a test table. So I've created this test table already in MS Excel. Now I'll select it, click on open, and now you'll be able to see the preview here. So click on OK, and in this window also click on OK, and once again click on OK, and now click anywhere in the drawing area to place the table, and here we have it. The table has been added. Now this table is linked with the original table which we have on the desktop. So if any of the information on the original table is changed, the table here will update itself. So here let's have a look at this table. In this case, we can see that this last cell has 456. So let's change this value in the original table. So I'll go to this original table, test table on the desktop, and now you can see that here we have this 456. So let's change this value and let's change it to 500. Okay, and now let's save it, and I'll close it. Now I'll go back to AutoCAD, and here we have a new bubble which indicates that the information in our linked table has been changed. So I'll click on this link to update the information and closely look at this cell. Here we have this 456. Let's click here, and here we have it. The new information has been added. So in this way, the table has been updated directly from the data link which is present on the desktop here in this test table. So in this way, you can import as well as export a table from AutoCAD to Excel file.